Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I'm going to give a teacher's perspective on how to build a claw bot or a base bot using the VEX IQ kit. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today in the show, I just finished making this claw bot. It is with the VEX IQ.
We had to watch some videos how to control it.
Yes, we had to get some help along the way. And I'm going to have a video right now showing the process.
Not right now.
No, I'm going to put it right here on the side, showing Lucas and I building this. It's going to be going by really fast.
Oh, you mean like right on me?
No, it might be, I'll put it right over in this corner right here. So, one thing I found out when I was doing the building, and you might want to be organized about that, is
that you have to have a plate because sometimes you have too much stuff and you can't hold it all at once.
These little cases, VEX, it's a great company, but we gotta figure out something different. There is so much crammed into these cases. These little boxes are not the strongest, in my opinion. I would recommend putting a rubber band over that. When you get a case like this and you're digging for parts, and I know the students are going to dig for parts, and it's so cramped. It's going to go everywhere. So I recommend putting them into dishes, all right, or some kind of container like that.
Unless a claw bot can carry them
Also, when you're doing this, I can see that you're going to have it on the desk. I know if you're going to have a whole class working with this, you're going to get parts going everywhere. We had to go look for parts because they were falling around, and we were being extra careful. So he did go diving for some parts down there.
Sometimes it took a long time.
I might recommend just putting this on the floor and letting the students work from there. But you're going to have to be super organized with your class, with your students, and teach them how to be very careful in putting things back. Because it's really tough putting all these little pieces away. Oh, also on this little pliers, this comes with a rubber band. Do not throw the rubber band away. You might have to buy yourself some other rubber bands, but you're going to need that because otherwise you can't put that in there as it needs to close. So
unless you close it, the box on it.
I doubt it. You're going to need a rubber band. Again, VEX, if you're looking for updates, try to figure out have a built-in clamp on one of these. That would be really nice. Something like, when you buy a pliers from
and maybe some
company.
bigger boxes.
Yeah, some type of different box. I don't know. It's just
We'll make the prices cheaper.
Yes, make the price cheaper. This is $450, and I just know I bet you some teachers have already had this box go whoosh all over the place. So yes, as a teacher, you want this organized so that the next students can use it and that you're not going to lose any pieces. There's only so many pieces, and for $450, then you're going to, if you lose like one of these pieces right here, there are not a lot of these pieces. So, and also they do break. The other day I had some in my bag and I accidentally stepped on it, and
You mean the VEX Go?
On the VEX Go, and I broke some pieces. So
it was in your classroom.
Yeah, and it was just my fault. I was being a little sloppy and I stepped on that.
You did put it away.
Okay, we got a battery from somewhere. Look at that. Even a piece right here. I found a piece. We're going to have to put that away. So it's very easy. We've been super careful. Okay, on to the build. We're not going to turn it on yet.
Okay.
You're going to have to teach the students how to put in wires like this. All right? You're going to have to teach. They want to push on the cord. No, you got to teach them to put their fingernail on one side and then snap that in. Also, when you are putting...
I didn't think about that when I was doing it.
Yeah. And it's just like we got to kind of show how to do that. Also, putting these pins in, you need the pliers because after a while, just even with my fingers, I'm a pretty tough guy.
They get sweaty.
Yeah, they get sweaty. They hurt, and you need the pliers to snap in there.
Unless you have ice.
If you have ice. We did the build instruction. We put Playmobil things together. We put Lego things together. We are experts in that. and we continue to make mistakes. And so make sure if you see on top of one of the squares and it says 2 times, that means you're making that thing twice. And so just keep that in your mind there. I would really, with the VEX Go, I would really like to see some better cases. Please, if you're a teacher, put some comments down below. How do you organize your class? How do you organize these containers? What happens when these things spill?
Maybe you can put like from 1 to 1, VEX 1 to 3, VEX Go, VEX IQ, and so on.
And so on and so on. All right. So, okay, so we put together this ClawBot, and I just quickly want to turn it on. Do you know how to turn this on, Lucas?
So you clip this on and tell your kids not to turn this on.
Okay, so show them right here. Use this camera. There's a camera going right here.
Okay.
Hello, camera. All right, so you turn that on.
And then to turn it off, you have to hold it.
Okay, now so turn this one on. You're gonna power it.
You just
press on the. All right, we got it.
And then you keep on hitting this.
You keep on hitting it.
1.
Clicking on it. Don't hit it.
Like.
All right. And then what?
1, 2,
okay.
3.
All right. So we got.
It takes 3 clicks.
It takes 3 clicks. He's a clicker. All right. So, is it working? All right. Now it's working. This is awesome. This is one of our first builds.
I'll give it something to
So
play.
make sure you check out our channel. We're going to have a lot of robotics lessons on here.
Okay.
We're going to be learning as we go. Right now he's using the, let's put that so people can see that in front of the camera. All right, now can you drive away with it? Keep the clamp down. Now drive away with it.
Oops.
All right. Might be tough to, all right. Hey, again, if you are a teacher or a student or a expert robotics engineer, can you leave some comments down below? Share with all of us. How do you organize your classes? How do you organize these kits? Anything.
It's pretty strong.
Careful, you're going to knock over that box. It's pretty strong. Hey, before I go, I want to put out some shout outs to a couple companies. This is Sphere Bolt. Add that to your robotics curriculum. This is awesome. Also, we use right here. I got a video on this one. This is a code drone. This is great to learn with coding, and we also use Ozobots. But these are 2 products I would recommend. The Sphere Boat, they got some other products out there. This thing is super fast. It's waterproof. I'm going to have a review on this pretty soon. You should see this thing whip down the hallway in my school, and the kids are like, whoa! And these code drones are awesome. We were coding with this the other day, so we were having a lot of fun. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you're having a great day out there. Please subscribe. Hit that little subscribe button there. Hit the likey button. Put in a comment. Let us know what you think. Anything you might need. And as we're learning, we're going to be sharing. Adios. Have a good day. Adios. Bye-bye. Lucas, can you please pick up your shoe? Thank you.